to this simulation. Today I did a simple model of the dental implant insertion in the mandible bone. This is the implant and this is the bone. We use imaginary axial and rotational velocity. In the real situation, the axial and the rotational velocity is so small, but here we used a bigger axial and rotational velocity, and it is just a tutorial to show the procedure. You can see here the insertion in the bone. If I click here on this, you can see that. Or if I use damage criteria, you can see the damage. This is the damage criteria for the mandible bone. You can change everything in this simulation: the type of the material, or the velocity and boundary, and the shape of the mandible bone with the drill hole here. Okay, you can see that the damage and the insertion. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial. This is our tutorial, or search the implant word here to find this tutorial. Click on a blue sign or the title. Then you will have a short explanation about the process, simulation, figures, a step interaction, and load everything here, and the result as a figures, and then 3 important points. The file contains CA and English video file step by step, and the cost is $34 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, and there is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.